It's getting cold outside. It's getting cold outside.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Well, we got a lot of snow, man. About 7 inches. I did get water today. Washed off some solar panels. Dogs love the snow. This is great for the dogs. You know, it's hard to believe that we went through this every single day in Montana, and this is really nothing. This is just in my opinion, this is just a little sprinkle of snow. It's got a lot of moisture in it for sure, a lot of moisture. I'm really glad we got to experience that this year. You know, the one thing about buying off-grid property is that go get them, you guys. Is that, you know, it takes a while to really, you know, to really get to know the property and get to know the land that you're living on. It's kind of hard to plan and build things right away and do things right away when you don't really know what your property is going to do when it gets rain or snow, or in this case, snow. This is where we're about to begin our outdoor bathroom, or outdoor shower, I should say, right here. I mean, look how beautiful that's going to be. Could you imagine taking a bath in here in scalding hot water? Look at this. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Got a little wildlife camera set up right there. You know, this is really nice. I mean, I'm really happy that we were able to really get all this snow, to really see, you know, how beautiful the high desert of Arizona is, you know, when you get snow. Because this is really kind of like our first big storm since we got on the property. There's our water hall. So, you know, to be able to, you know, see this is pretty cool. Now, tomorrow it's supposed to be close to 50. I'd imagine tomorrow a lot of this might be gone. But, you know, but still. I think it's, you know, the one thing about living in Montana for quite a few years was that, come on, Cal, what are you doing? Come on, come on. Was that, you know, this is really beautiful until, you know, you have to go and deal with it every day. That's our compost stuff. So compost is going to have a lot of water in it. So that'll be good. Be a good thing. Got a lot of snow on it. Probably going to collapse if I don't get the snow off of it. Probably have some sort of pack rat living in here, I'm sure. Come on, Cal, over here. Cal, come on. Come on, good girl. Cal. So, but yeah, little tour of the property in the wintertime. Yeah, come back out here and start the van and keep that thing running so the battery maintains. Otherwise it'll, if I don't start it every day, that thing will, those people in Salt Lake City ruin this van. Hopefully I can get that thing started today. So, yeah, pretty nice. Solar panels. I'm still pulling in right now about 150 watts of solar, which is really about what I need to run the Airstream, Starlink and other things. My panels are cleared up out here, up there. So I'm pulling solar in our house battery, so we got plenty of solar, even in the snow. Starlink is working. Got plenty of solar. So Blue Yeti's at about 83%. We're still taking about 165 watts of solar, so we're doing pretty good. I mean, really, the whole reason we bought off-grid, because we like challenges. We like being alone and being out in nature, and not having next door neighbors right up your ass. So this is what we signed up for. And really dealing with all this stuff that we did, or dealing with all this snow, I mean, we dealt with it for a long time, and it never really bothered us. In fact, if you watch some of our Yellowstone videos, you can see, I mean, we got a lot of snow. And we got the van running. Poor Babaloo. He don't like it, but he started. Well, it's a new day. Survived last night. Was about 17 degrees, I guess. We're gonna try to hook up the water, and we'll see if our pipes froze or didn't freeze. So we'll see. It's a beautiful morning, a lot of sun. Airstream is nice and warm. So we'll start a new day. I got the water turned on. The water's working. We're gonna see how bad the road is. Man, a lot of prints, man. A lot of jackrabbit prints. You can see right here, and a lot of coyote prints. So we'll see on the road and see what the road looks like. So here's our road, main road. Here, you can see no one's driven on it. That's our road, and then that's our driveway. So, one of the reasons why we moved to Arizona, especially here, is because, you get a foot of snow, and by the next day, it's almost gone. So it's creating a lot of mud, but we're catching a lot of water also, which is really good. So, I just want to kind of show you, what the snowstorm looked like on our property, and in high desert Arizona, and how that looks. It's already melting so quickly. Ariane is kind of stuck in town. She's been in town for a couple of days. She's working in town, so she got stuck. And so, we're going to wait until the snow melts. I think she's going to come home. She's going to try to come home, Monday morning, early. The best time to drive on these roads, it's when the roads are frozen. Otherwise it's just a mud mess. So, you gotta do what you gotta do. Well, anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe. And also, I'd love to hear from you guys. Comment on anything, and I always reply. I always answer all the comments. So, beautiful day in high desert Arizona after a major snowstorm. Getting right back into it. So, we'll see you guys later. Bye.